ultimate chocolate chip cookies. That's what I'm making. Hi, today I'm making the ultimate chocolate chip cookies. I never thought I'd like a cookie that didn't have butter in it, but this uses butter flavored Crisco, and it's one of Crisco's recipes, and it is so good, it just melts in your mouth. So if you like content and recipes like this, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you hadn't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I've got my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And to my mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup firmly packed brown sugar. I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup of butter flavored Crisco. And 2 tablespoons of milk. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to combine this until it's light and fluffy. While this is creaming, I've got 1 3/4 cup of plain all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm just going to whisk that and mix it. I got my egg ready because when that gets creamy, I'm going to add my egg. Alright, now I'm going to add my egg and mix it into the creamed mixture. Alright, scrape it down again. And now I'm going to add my flour, salt, and baking soda mixture. And we just want to mix it till it's blended. We don't want to overmix. Alright. Alright, now we want to add 3/4 of a cup of mini chocolate chips. And 3/4 of a cup. It calls for semi chocolate chips, but I like the dark. It gives it a much richer flavor. And we just want to stir those in. And now I just want to drop them by a spoonful. I'm going to bake these for 8 minutes and see where we go from there. And I'll be back. And here are my ultimate chocolate chip cookies. I cooked them about 8 minutes. I got it barely brown around the edges. You can cook them longer if you want to. We like them really soft and chewy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.